Gold moved above the 2010 crucial level and reached near the record high. The evidence of the lower inflation in Europe and the US came with the end of rate hikes. However, more clues will come from the US job report, which is set to be released this week. In the weekly gold USD price, upward pressure is solid due to the safe haven nature of gold, which indicates a bullish possibility toward the 2085 resistance level. As the weekly price is set above the 2050 level, we may expect the buying pressure to extend this week. The weekly chart's technical indicators are bullish, indicating an overbought condition. In that case, a bearish daily close below the 2010 level could be a potential short opportunity, targeting the 1975 level. On the other hand, the ongoing buying pressure is supported by the 20-day EMA, which might extend the upward pressure above the 2080 level in the coming days.